because of the
I didn't even see him there.
That's great and white.
Fucking shit myself. No, because you don't know, you don't understand how big he is. Look, you know he's big. Koi, fuck off. Out the net.
That corner. I reckon you got it. Like, yeah, got it.
He's gonna thrash like a motherfucker.
You wanna bring it that way?
Please don't be an arsehole for me. He's already gonna be an arsehole, isn't he?
Who knows?
You can just tell. And he's fucking massive. No, because he's giant.
Come see. What then? He's gonna cross, isn't he? Just gonna have to heave ho that thing. What up there with over the shoulder shot? You're gonna be 100% on this one. It's gonna look a bit creepy, isn't it? No man, that looks... too glaring. Too much glare.
Do you want to take a picture there?
Just all the photos are just a bit...
Bit shit.
It's just the glare off the water, I can't do it. As soon as he's out of the water, it's fine.
Right, get the other way, mate. He is a lot smaller than I thought.
I'm gonna get a video. I hope he doesn't thrash.
I know.
Well, as soon as I'm covered, I'll video straight away. What? Oh, 100 kgs.
Photo mode.
100 kgs, 100 kgs.
Ready?
Ready. These are all portrait, by the way.
Yep.
Landscapes. It's a bit weird because you get really pond and whatnot. Small. There we go.
That it? Oh, no, I'm actually grateful for him, you know.
No, because this...
He stayed still.
I was standing to it because I was waiting for the kick.
He stayed still. Flipping out. Oh.
I'm trying to get a video from the YouTube shorts. 100k views up there. 100k views, 100k views.
Flipping out. Come on, mate. Yeah. Can I have a look at these photos? Do they look sick?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, see, it's just a bit bright.
yeah.
Turn the brightness down, they'll be fine. That's the video that I got.
It's like you can't hold him up properly because he's that fat, he'll overturn.
They do look good.
Right.
Go for the release, it's fine.
He has to fold out of it. I didn't even get release on that. My fucking GoPro was all the way down.
Good.